Hi there, this is a quick tutorial on how to switch to a live stream at a particular instant in time. So say right now we've got our setup here. On the left hand side I've got OpenLP and I'm just showing the keyboard also. And then on the right hand side I've got the projector there. So the first step, you've just sung the songs and while they're singing the songs, someone else is, perhaps you, is monitoring what's happening on the live stream, and you've gotten to the point where the person has started speaking. Now I'm just actually got ABC live right now. You can see it's the live version of it, and what you need to do is make sure you pause it, and you might need to time shift it. Obviously make sure your audio is turned off. Time shift it to just before the person starts to talk. So now that you've got your YouTube video ready, what you need to do then is you can stop actually OpenLP, but you don't need to close it down. You can see OpenLP is right now on. What you need to do is you need to click this button here, and what happens when you do that is you can see it turns on and off the slideshow and just shows the entire desktop. So once you've done that, you can maximize this. You can maximize the video on your control screen and actually start it playing at that point in time. So once it started playing, fix up the audio, and then here's the magic keyboard shortcut. You hold down Windows and then Shift, and then you hit the right arrow key, or it could be the left arrow key depending on where the monitor is. I'm going to hit the right arrow key and then you'll see it jump over to the other screen. Bam. So now by doing that it's over on the other screen. I can hit spacebar to start and stop it. So all I got to do is hit spacebar, start and stop, and I can remote control that. And of course to stop it I can hit Alt F4, Alt, then F4 to actually close it. Or of course I can use the Windows Shift left and right to bring that screen back if I ever need to. And then once you've done that, all you got to do is give OpenLP control of the screen just by hitting this button again. So once you've done that, the slides will come back on just like that. And then you're back to OpenLP being in charge rather than YouTube being in charge. And that way you don't need to, drag screens across from one to the other, which it's a little bit jarring if you do that. Thanks, bye.